Rivers naturally change their course over time, especially rivers with many bends. When this happens, the old river channel may become abandoned. Gold is very heavy, with a density of about 19.3 grams per cubic centimeter. So when water slows down, it quickly settles and becomes trapped in places like bedrock cracks, behind large rocks, and under heavy gravel. Even after the river moves to a new path, the gold often remains in the old channel sediments. That is why ancient or abandoned river channels can be some of the best places to search for placer gold. Prospectors usually look for signs such as rounded river stones, gravel layers, black sands, and exposed bedrock. If you find these indicators, you might be standing on an old river channel where gold could still be hiding today. And if that channel once transported gold, there is always a chance that some of it is still hiding there today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends so everyone can benefit.